I'm Ted Ings, and welcome to the 2020 NADA show. I'm a four-time NADA speaker, best known for creating an entirely new category of interactive, engaging workshops. My presentation, Create a Breakthrough Training Process, is designed for the dealer principal and general manager because real change starts at the top. I'll show you how to get your entire team, sales and fixed operations both, performing to their peak potential by developing an in-house training plan that's interactive, engaging, and sustainable. My workshop will deliver 5 effective strategies to double your kept appointments in sales and service, double your closing ratio, double your referrals, and skyrocket your employee and customer satisfaction. I'll demonstrate a key takeaway activity called the numbers game to show you how interactive training truly works. It's a tool you'll be able to use when you get home back at the store. I'll model specific training techniques to uncover gaps in your current process and get all the attendees involved with a hands-on activity that'll be fun and engaging. Participants will be out of their seats, interacting with each other. In summary, I'll show you how to invest in your most important tool, your people, in ways you never imagined, with a detailed plan of stages, activities, and verifiable outcomes. Get ready for a breakthrough workshop with me, Ted Ings, at the 2020 NADA show in Las Vegas. I'll see you there.